Set up a contest for online voting. We go to this page, which is contest.toastmasters.org. We put in the name of a division or area or club, and we'll put in the date of the event. We get prompted immediately after that to put in the names of any other people who are going to be participating as judges or helping us administer the contest, such as the chief judge, the vote counters. So we'll go through that process. And once we submit this, now we have the system somewhat set up here. We have links for the different judges and also for the timer to use to record the results that they observe. We'll put in the names of our contestants. We can designate who's supposed to be the tie-breaking judge, and also if there are other users who we had set up previously, we can pick them from the list. Now, anybody who is invited there should get an invitation to set a password if they don't already have one, or to click the link to go straight to the judging page. If I jump the gun here, before I have set the order of speakers, I'll just see a notice saying that this isn't quite ready to go yet. Now you can set the speaker order manually, or you can let the computer randomize the order of the speakers. So now we should see that the ballot, the digital ballot, is ready to accept our votes, and go through and do that. Of course, we're going to fast forward through this process a little bit so that you don't have to wait all day. And once we've scored all the contestants, we can have the system show us what their ranking is. And of course, it's still the judge's discretion to decide how to interpret that, particularly if there's a tie between a couple of them. They need to make a decision. So they will pick the top three that they want to vote for, or if this is a tie-breaking judge, all the contestants would be listed. They check that, yes, we're going to officially record this as our vote. And we see a confirmation. Now this is set up so that it can also be done from a mobile phone. This is on Android, how the process looks. And once again, get down to the bottom, we pick our top three, and we vote. There's a timing tool that can be used to show green, yellow, and red if you have a way of showing that on screen. And when we record votes for a specific speaker who is set up as a contest, that will automatically be logged into this little list, or we can go through also and just type them in if you prefer. And once again, we have to check that this is to be submitted as our official signed record. Now, meanwhile, the chief judge and vote counters can be watching this screen, and they'll see who hasn't voted. So if somebody did have technical difficulties and they needed to make a phone call or get their vote from some other way, they can do that here. And they can record the votes on the judge's behalf if they're not able to do it themselves. But if all goes well, we will see. Oh, now we're down to one judge not having voted. Okay, all judges have voted. We have the tiebreaker ranking. The only thing that's a problem here is the timer's report has not been submitted. So we'll watch for that. Oh, the timer's report is in. We see who's been disqualified, and now we have a final ranking.